We don't need Zulus. We have the precinct that can go maybe they want to raid. They can go and raid Brown Mkgotsi residence, but not outsiders.
Okay. So are you saying those police have raided this business premises that we understand that belong to Brown Mkgotsi?
Listen to what I'm saying. I'm saying the precinct, Brown Mkgotsi has been engaging with SABC. They must engage. It's not like it's somebody who is hiding or somebody who is a fugitive. Brown Mkgotsi is around. They must engage.
Do you know where he is at this stage?
Currently, I cannot tell you where he is.
No, I'm not saying you must tell me where he is. I'm saying, do you know where he is at this stage?
Currently, I cannot tell you where he is. I cannot disclose his whereabouts. Because of their Kamalaba, I cannot do that.
Were those police officers looking for him?
Listen to me. You know why are they here? Do not play blind eye as if you don't know what is happening here. No, this is totally unconstitutional and unethical. Must give a guy a chance so that he can prepare himself to go and respond in the commission.
So what you are saying in a nutshell is that the police should not engage in any operation concerning Brown Mkgotsi until he appears before the Madanga Commission. I'm giving you a chance. I just want to understand. You are going to clarify your point. So I'm just trying to get an understanding. You are saying that the police should not act now until he appears before the Madanga Commission and the
saying, in a nutshell, I'm not saying the police must not do their work. I just referred to in a nutshell the precinct. We have Mahikeng and we have Mabatu and we have the province.
Here just after 6 p.m. this evening, when we heard that there were some police officers who came here just after 5 p.m. and we understand that when they arrived here, they started closing, this business premise. There are some small businesses that are renting here, and we understand that this business premises belong to Brown Mkgotsi, who was at the center of General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's testimony at the Madanga Commission of Inquiry. His name came up, many times during Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's testimony at the time. But what I can tell you at this stage, you can see that there are still some police officers who are still stationed here outside this business premises that we understand that belong to Brown Mkgotsi, who has been at the center of, those allegations that are being investigated currently by the ad hoc committee, parliamentary ad hoc committee, as well as the Madanga Commission of Inquiry that is well underway with regards to those allegations that were leveled at the time. I think it was around July when Minister Ntata Mkhwanazi also saying that Brown Mkgotsi is, an associate of Minister Senzo Mchunu, who is now on suspension, who's continued to give testimony at the ad hoc committee there in Parliament.
An indication at this stage of what the purpose of this operation is. What are the police looking for?